this virtual video tour of 294 Kudu Trail here in Bailey, Colorado. So let's get this show rolling. You are seeing what is one of the seller's favorite things about this neighborhood, this quiet street. There's 9 properties here, and this is just a kind of a quick sweeping view of this property. And I'm taking you on around over my right shoulder. That is the bus stop right there. I mean, you literally fall out the front door and you're there. So that's, one of the things that we wanted to make sure that we highlight. The other thing here, and we'll go ahead and take a stroll down, this driveway was brand new just last year. So that's something that's really super exciting for a lot of folks. When you live up here in the foothills, having a blacktop asphalt driveway, the snow melts super quick. Here's the other thing. As this slopes down toward the garage, these guys have installed all kinds of drainage systems and things like that. So this is a drainage grate here in front of the driveway, or in front of the garage. I mean, this oversized 2-car garage, and that keeps water out of the garage. This drainage system here is all part of it. This retaining wall here, the gravel here pulling water away from the house, and then the stonework here. So an extensive amount of landscaping and work was done to make sure that this house is nice and dry for you on the inside. And then you see the brick pavers and all of that stuff going on here. So we'll step on up this, and here's the give you a nice close look at the siding. Looks really nice. Take a look on up the stairs, and if you've got questions, you can certainly text me at 720-314-8462. It's Tim at Jones Team Colorado, Tim and Sandy Jones with eXp Realty. And I'm a pretty tall guy, so I'll show you this roof. This was a new roof in 2016. So you've got a brand new roof on this thing, and they have put the system on top to keep the ice from forming up there on top. So we'll just wanted to highlight that as well. Beautiful front door, right? Let's go on inside and see what's happening. One of the things, we are staying safe. There's the hand sanitizer, and this is a live virtual video tour. We want to make sure that folks who would prefer to get a good look at this home online or on Facebook, and we'll save it to our Facebook page here at Jones Team Colorado, just so that you can share it out if you are a real estate agent, or if you know somebody that might be looking to live here in the Bailey, Colorado area. The other cool thing about this house, and as I'm just kind of panning around, is it's only 5 minutes to US Highway 285. So I know some of the houses can be a little bit farther back in the neighborhood. The other thing that I do want to highlight while we're here is, I'll tilt that up, we've got these nice tongue and groove natural wood ceiling, and it is vaulted. I mean, I've got about an 8-foot reach myself, and I'm standing here, at the middle, and it's extending significantly higher. And then you've got the nice stone fireplace that is a gas log fireplace, makes it nice and easy. You've got the beautiful oak hardwood floors going on here. So let me grab my notes, because I don't want to miss or leave out anything here on this house. And I hope that I can answer all of your questions. Beautiful house, nice big open space here. This butcher block countertop is new, and then you've got a separate dining area over here. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen now. In addition, the kitchen, let's go over here to the sink. because this is kind of cool. Underneath the sink, you do have a new reverse osmosis water filtration system. So you do know that you're getting the cleanest, safest water possible. You've got the stainless appliances. So there's your dishwasher, there's your electric range, and there is the fridge. So it's a nice 3-door fridge, and you know, this is a family, so they've got plenty of room for all of that. And then you've got, you know, storage on the island with cabinets, drawers. You've got storage up above, okay, and then you've got storage down below as well. So there's your kitchen. And the other cool thing that you know, a lot of folks like that we show houses to, being able to just look out onto your backyard right here from the kitchen sink. So that's pretty special, we think. And then you've got this, you know, this great deck. It does wrap around, so and it has been the railings have all been freshly painted. And what we didn't put up right now, just because we're not quite to the season yet, but see those posts? They hold a really nice sunshade sail type design. So, you know, that gives you lots of nice shade in the summer months when you are enjoying your outside. So the deck, like I said, it wraps on around and carries out to the front. So that's something that, again, a feature that a lot of folks that we talk to really like. Okay, so this is, like I say, you know, nice large living room. Then right off of here, you do have this powder room. Some call it a half bath. And the other thing that more and more people are asking us to find them when we look for a home is a master suite on the main floor. This house has it. So you've got the, let's get up to the top here, Tim. So you do have the nice vault that carries on into this space, and you've got, you know, some nice views out the front. You've got plenty of room to put a nice large bed and plenty of room for furniture. You've got a nice little window bench there, and you do have a separate private deck off of your master suite. Another little sitting area, and then you've got your master bath. So, you know, you've got your double bowl vanity. Make sure we show that. And you've got lots of light coming in here. And you do have, you know, a really nice jetted tub here with a nice tile surround. And you do have some vaults that are carried, yeah, there we go, into the bathroom. So that's what's going on here in the master. And we can, you know, kind of get you through, get you on downstairs. So like I say, you come in the front door and you're really into this nice living quarters, yet, you know, you can carry it right down, and these stairs are, you know, super wide. You know, I'm kind of a wide body guy, and these stairs are a great fit. Now, here's your full-size bath down here. So you've got the half bath, the powder room upstairs. You've got the master full, that's actually, you know, 5-piece. I'm sorry, the master with the double bowl, and then the jetted tub and the shower combined. Then here you've got the full bath going on. You do have a really nice size guest bedroom here. As you can see, I mean, room for just a little kind of a day bed plus a full size, and then a good sized closet as well. And lots of nice light coming in from outside. So, you know, we're here at garden level. And then this room is so cute. I just love it, the way that it's set up. You've got, again, egress window, lots of light. and a good sized bedroom here. We've just taken the doors off this closet for the time being, make it a little more accessible for the kiddos. It is, again, lots of nice room. And some really nice texture on the wall as well, the walls down here. So it's not just your standard boring kind of stuff. Then we step into a really good sized family room area down here. So great room, vaulted great room upstairs. You've got this built-in bookcase that gives you lots of extra storage. This over here is storage under the staircase, and then, you know, place for a really good sized TV, more light. Here's your other gas fireplace, gas log fireplace. You've got, you know, equipment room and laundry there, and then you've got this little nook cove here, lots of light. You've got your walkout into the backyard. Yes, folks, the play set is staying. If you got kiddos, it's really awesome. It's really set up nice with the you know, with the bark underneath and all of that. Now, the fencing that you see here is not the backyard. The backyard does extend out farther, so you're on a little bit over an acre here. So it's, you know, you've got a good amount of space, and then the hot tub does stay as well. Needs a little work, but, oh, and then this concrete patio is new as well. It was new last year. So, you know, that's kind of what we got going on. The garage, the folks have their stuff stored in it, but, you know, there's room for a workshop. It is oversized. It's just really, really cool garage space over there. And then next to the garage is a pad for, they've got a good sized RV over there, and there's plenty of room to park that alongside as well. So just want to give you one last look here and make sure that we've covered just everything. The washer and dryer that's here does stay. It's a smart washer and dryer that hooks to your smartphone and all of that stuff. So, you know, you've got a lot of really neat stuff going on. Oh, you probably would like to know the price. Again, this is $294 Kudu Trail here in Bailey, Colorado, and we are excited to bring it to market. You've got the master, you've got 2 more bedrooms, you've got the 2 full baths, another half bath, and this is coming to market at $450. So it's a great value with all the amenities going on, all the light that comes in here, and we're super excited to present it to you, to share it with you, and we would love to show it to you in person. Sandy or I can bring you through. Your agent can say they know all the safe procedures to bring you through, and we just would love to show you this great home. It is just super cool. So come take a look at it. Again, we're here at 294 Kudu Trail, Bailey, Colorado, and we're just 5 minutes to the highway. So it is super easy access to get, you know, on out to the ski areas, super easy access to get on down into Denver, and that's why we just love this home, love the location, love the setting amongst the pine trees and all of that. So make sure you come see it. Give us a call if you have questions, need more info about it. It's 720-314-8462. Tim and Sandy Jones, Jones Team Colorado, eXp Realty, and you know, we really appreciate you checking this out and tuning in. It is just a super clean home, and we hope you get the opportunity to see it real soon. Thanks so much, and please make sure that you share this with anyone you know that might be looking for a home just like this one. Thanks.